Alright, what is up, guys? This is a trade recap of today's trades. I took 4 trades and I'm down about $1,200 today. I took a $600 loss on one account and then another $600 loss on the other account. I'm copying trading between 2 accounts. Let's get right into it. Let's make it quick. So basically, going to the day, I was bearish, low key. I was bearish, but I should have been bullish. But again, let's get started. Let's see here. The first trade here was okay. We have a sweep of liquidity here. We displaced heavy, right? We displaced heavy. Bearish bias. We come up, sweep out this high, right? Go into 30-second time chart, and or the 1 minute. It doesn't matter. So as you can tell, we had a nice thick up close candle that swept up this liquidity, and we did not do that on the 1 minute also. So therefore I stuck to the 30-second here because 5 minute and 30-second align. So then I go here. I'm a MacBook, so it's a bit harder to do, honestly. So then after that, I was like, okay, look, shorts look good here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a stab entry short at this thick order block here. I think it got filled up here around this area. My stops was at this high, and I got stopped out for about 10 points. Yeah, that was like a $200 loss, unfortunately. So, yeah, that was that trade. And this trade, same thing, right? We had a sweep of this high, this CRT high, dropping down to the 30-second, I'm pretty sure. Because I've already established all of my higher time frames, right? We're bearish, etc., right? So then I'm like, okay, look, we have this 5 minute high, but if you also go to the 1 minute, we had a 1 minute we had a 1 minute sweep with the 1 minute order block. So then I'm like, okay, look, I think I missed this entry at 607.50. I think, yeah, I broke even here on accident. It's not accident, but I broke even. I ended up entering at 607.25, so around here, around this entry. And then I guess like I broke even here, unfortunately. This trade would have hit, obviously. I just broke even because I entered here. So I entered here, I'm pretty sure, yeah. I entered there, and then I ended up trailing my stop and got stopped at a break even. Would have been a nice little trade. So then I ended up taking another trade again. Same thing, right? 5 minute sweep. Bearish bias. Drop down to the 1 minute. We had a nice thick up close candle here. I ended up entering at this order block, and then we displaced heavily, and I was like, okay, we're definitely not coming back, right? We ended up creating a breaker. We ended up creating a high fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, look, this looks decent. So I'm gonna put my stops in break even. Got stopped at a break even, and obviously that was that trade, broke even, and then I took a pretty big loss here, unfortunately. If you go here, we had a nice little 15-minute rejection block. I entered late, honestly. This did play out, just not fully. So we had a nice little 1 minute order block up here that, like I said, that I wanted to see mitigated. Price was tapping it, rejecting off it, tapping it, rejecting it, and then I was okay, no, third time's the charm. Boom, tapped it, got stopped out for 15 points. And that was pretty much the trade recap. Down about $1,200. Hopefully tomorrow we can bounce back. Working on some new things to make my strategy better. But again, down about $1,200. And hopefully tomorrow we can bounce back. I'm currently at the airport going to Michigan, so I don't know if I'll even trade tomorrow. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys all next time.